Hey guys, so what we're going to do today is do the cabin air filter. This is very easy on Toyotas. There's nothing required to really take off from the truck. Some of the Fords and Chevys that I've had have been a little difficult to do. I had to take part of the dash off to get in here. Toyotas are very simple. They're always right here in the glove box. So what you do is open the glove box, and then if you see right here, you see this door right here. This, you take that off, and then if you see inside here, there's a door with 2 tabs that you'll pull right here on the side, and you'll break that off here, and it'll pull right out. Okay, so you take that off here. These tabs right here, you pull off, or pull, pinch in and then pull out. And then right in here, you've got your air filter slides right in and out. So you can see this one here, it's got some junk in it already. You can replace this or clean it out, knock it out. And we'll go ahead and put it back in or replace it, whichever one you want to do. I'm going to clean this one out and put it back in since I don't have a new one with me right now. All right, so we got it all cleaned out and it's good to go back in. We'll put it back in. That door slides right back in, and very easy. You just slide it back in on one side and then press in on the other side. And then this here goes back in this way, right here, and back in. So make sure it's seated. You don't want it real rattling around in there. But now that's back in. We're gonna put our books back in here and done. So hope that helps. Very easy to do yourself. I would recommend replacing the filter if you do it, but these are so easy. I just wanted to show you guys and give you an easy way to get in and access your air filter. So change this maybe the same time you do your engine air filters, once a year after the pollen season, to clean that out, or maybe after the fall when the leaves have all fallen, to get into your vents and whatnot. So clean those out and take care of your truck. Hope this helps. Until next time, bye bye.